how to transfer Tron from OKX to Telegram wallet. Hey guys, in this video, I am going to show you how you can transfer Tron from your OKX wallet to your Telegram wallet. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. So the first thing that you want to do is open your OKX wallet and scroll down until you see Tron. Over here, if you don't see it, click on Manage Crypto and add it. After that, choose Tron and click on the Send option. Then, on the Send screen, you will need to enter the receiving address, which will be your Telegram wallet address. Over here, go to your Telegram app, click on the wallet, and then click Receive. Copy the address. After that, go back to your OKX wallet, paste the wallet address, and confirm it. Then enter the amount of Tron you want to transfer, click Next, and withdraw it to your Telegram wallet. So that's how you can transfer Tron from OKX to Telegram wallet. That's all for this video.